Me, I'm chilling. Shoot, I just went by the gas station today, and I just went and got what I have here today is some our very own badass rap snacks, and I just opened the bag recently, and let me try one out of here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Y'all fucking this motherfucker up. I'm fucking this shit up. God damn. This boy right here, this nigga came out with some rap snacks wavy Louisiana heat. They very affordable. I asked the cashier at the gas station how much they was. I thought they was gonna be like $3. As you can see, they only $1.29, so they very affordable. And I know they're in a city near you. Shit, when you get a chance, hell, stop and get you some of these motherfuckers. Oh, damn. Yeah. Tastes better than some motherfucking pussy. Shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all later on live. Yeah, holla at you.